Welcome YouTube. Hope you guys are okay. This is our weekly breakdown where I'll go over the markets, go over what happened last week, what I'm looking at this week, answer some questions in the chat and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. Let me just quickly grab the YouTube link and post it to the other Discord so I can get a few more viewers. There we go. Okay, perfect. And now we are good to go. Yeah, so let's go over some stuff. Last week I had one trade, and I got screwed over from, it was my fault. Let's just be real. It was my fault. TradingView decided to say that Euro news, German prelim CPI, which is pretty high impact, as you can see it's red, was all day. And I didn't know that sometimes all day basically just means that there's multiple releases throughout the day. And I learned this from Raheem, who's our little economics dude, who's an absolute beast when it comes to economics. And he said, as you can see, if you go to my FX book and you compare them, you'll see that, where is it? This week? No, I'll have to go to last week. 1 second, August. It was this week, wasn't it? You'll see here that on, when was it? August 29th. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. 28th, one more. 29th, here we go. Is this it? Oh yeah, keep on going. Here we go. So, as we can see, Euro German's prelim CPI all day Thursday. You go on my FX book, it's at 9 AM. And if you go later on in the day, you'll see that it's a secondary release at 1 PM. I didn't know this. I just thought it was an all day, and normally all day events don't really do much. So I held the trade on Euro CAD. Yep, Euro CAD, this buy here. And yeah, it was working nicely, as you can see. It was doing a nice reaction. And then boom, dropped off a cliff. So, is what it is. I've learnt my lesson. When it says all day, or just in general really, always compare news releases with other websites. Don't just use Forex Factory, because that is a silly idea. So yeah, learnt my lesson. Is what it is. That was the one trade I took. I've got a really bad memory and I can't remember what else it was. But yeah, that was one trade I took. It was working nicely, and then I got swooped. Yeah, so let's go through the rest of the trades that I'm looking at for this week. So we have, let's look at the news that's releasing. I feel like this is zoomed out. It was zoomed out. We have Monday, bit of retail sales on Swiss. I don't know why it's yellow. That should be red, for Swiss at least. Again, PMI, that's normally red. Again, some of these final manufacturing PMI, some of these are high impact. CAD and USD bank holiday, so we got fairly low volume on USD and CAD. So yeah, bit of a slow Monday. Tuesday we have Swiss CPI, USD ISM manufacturing. Okay, GDP, Aussie dollar, and CAD. Okay, we got a little double CAD and Aussie dollar. Beautiful. That one's like early morning, so I'm not really going to see that. Thursday, okay, Aussie dollar, USD, and a bit more USD, and then we have obviously NFP. It's not too bad of a week, to be honest. It's just USD and CAD, to be honest. That's it. So we should be good. We'll see. GU might be a bit of a scary pair to trade next week, but yeah, as you can see, this setup is absolutely beautiful. This is a very, very basic setup. Just a break and retest with a 38 fib. And that's literally it. You got the psych just below as well. I don't think we have anything else. There's no like trend line or anything. We could have, let's check Dixie. So obviously we're looking pound strength, USD weakness. So we want Dixie to come to a level. Break and retest level, that one looks pretty strong. And then we have bit of a mixed level here, bit of an awkward one because you got this, and this. So potentially the break retest, but realistically You know what? No, that actually could align. That could align. US 500 is coming to a strong sell zone. We're just, you know, pissing about at this high. So if we do break this high, then we're most likely going to see, okay, US 10 years. We've got two levels though. We got US 10-year bonds. We got this and this. And then we got S&P 500 at that. Could we break highs? I reckon so. Especially with NFP this week. There's a high chance. I reckon we will see a break. Which technically means we'll see USD weakness. But normally when you see big breaks, it doesn't really like inversely correlate. If S&P 500 smash this high, you'd normally see DXY strength, which I know it's normally the opposite, but sometimes it does work like that. Like high impact news releases, you know, obviously Dixie's meant to be correlated, S&P 500, 10-year bonds and stuff. Well, all bonds are meant to be directly correlated, but when there's big impact releases, sometimes that correlation will mess up and it'll just be all positively correlated, and then it'll correct itself, which is interesting. But we'll see. So yeah, GU buys, beautiful, 38 fib. Not really seeing anything else on this. 4 hour, you have these two little zones, not really interested in them. You do have the high though, that could be nice. Daily or 4 hour really. I mean, technically the daily already, so it could be good. But obviously I want a like ATR and something else with that. 4 hour EMA, I don't really look at 4 hour EMAs. I look at the daily, but I don't look at any 4 hour EMAs. You could do, I guess. Could start tracking them. Pound CAD. Okay, so Pound CAD has an interesting one. This also has a break retest, but it's more, I class that as a 4 hour break retest. That daily level isn't looking the healthiest. I know it is a level, but what's that? 79 pips. Not the greatest. I think I'd rather go 4 hour and go for like a 25 max, maybe a 20. 25 looks good. That could be potential. There's a double fib on a break retest as well. Let's see. So you've got the 50 of that recent move up, and I'm guessing it's going to be this one. You got 38. Do you have the big one? And you've got the 23. You got a triple fib. I mean, that one doesn't really count. It's a bit of a terrible fib, but you have a triple fib if you want to class it as a triple fib. So yeah, that could be nice. I'll take that anyway. That's fine, but I'll take it as a 4 hour setup. 4 hour and fib and maybe ATR or some sort of alignment if pound USD and pound CAD both come to level. We've got a lot of CAD and USD news. Obviously they are both sort of aligned when it comes to news releases. USD will affect CAD and CAD news will affect USD. So I think they're going to move pretty damn similar this week. You can already see this move up and the retracement is pretty similar. It's just that previous move was a bit less correlated. Still a move there, but I think pound USD was a bit tighter on that move up and down. So yeah, pound CAD buys. That sell zone that I was looking at, I'm pretty sure was a 4 hour trade that I was looking at. So yeah, so it's a 4 hour level. We were seeing movement, but then obviously it retraced on Friday. And yeah, that was the level in ATR. I was waiting for a nice move in with that ATR, but obviously that didn't hit. Pound Swiss. Oh, let me get rid of that actually. Pound Swiss. Let's have a look at Pound Swiss. Don't really see anything. That 61 fib is still creeping. I think I would be happy taking it now if we had just a clean move in. I know it's just consolidated and pissed about, but if we break this consolidation level here and see a push into that, even that move there is still enough pips. That's like 60 pips, just this little zone from here to here. So I'd happily go with that. But if we see, you know, continued consolidation, it just, you know, brambles into that level, I'm not going to go for it. So we need a nice move in and a nice break of this for me to go with it. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that. For buys, I'm not really looking at anything. 4 hour, I guess you do have that, which is pretty big. It's 100 pips. So I will mark that out. Last time we tapped into 4 hour, I'm guessing that was a news release at 2 o'clock. But it did sort of do a move here, then broke and did its thing. So we'll see. 4 hour level, that could maybe be a 23 fib. Doesn't line up with anything, does it? So yeah, there's nothing really there. Maybe if you see, you've got a psych level actually. Maybe, you know, psych level, maybe ATR with that continued move in could be good. Or if we see, you know, a push up and then we see that strong move in, that could be nice. But yeah, we'll see with pound Swiss. Mark out for buyers anyway, and I'll. Oh, it could actually be. It could just serve as alignment for pound USD or pound CAD actually. So that could also be a nice one there. Pound New Zealand dollar. There isn't this break retest. I'm not a massive fan, to be honest. You've got 3 separate levels here. You've got 1, 2, 3, which is a bit of a, I don't know, 2 setups you like on GN. Which ones? I'm guessing it's one of these levels. These ones are the nice ones, and you got the rough break and retest down here as well. But these ones here, I personally wouldn't go for. That retest with 23. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, that one. Yeah. I think I'd rather wait for like this zone, or if you use that 61, I'd rather wait for the sells, to be honest. I don't really like those break retests. And the 61 fib, yeah, makes sense. But yeah, I'm not a massive fan. I'll mark it out actually. I'll mark it out to see what happens. Daily break and retest, and then we'll also mark that one out. Yep. Pound Aussie. So we got some interesting levels here. We got that fib doesn't line up, and I'm guessing we don't really have a good buy fib on this. Yeah, no. So that's it. You've just literally got the bare levels with nothing else so far. This one has the EMA, the 200 EMA, 100 EMA, sorry. Is it 100? Yeah, 100 EMA. Just cruising. And that's about it. You got a psych level just above, which is like 20 away. And up here, you don't really have anything. You have the psych below, which, yeah, it's all right, but nothing crazy. So these will just be like more 4-hour strong moves in. I prefer that top level. I think this one could be nice if we just see a nice move in with ATR. I'll take that. When it comes to, actually, yeah, we'll talk about this. So I've been messing around with my trading plan. Like, I had a play with it last week for when we were in the mentorship live stream, because, yeah, I mean, it needs updating anyway. And I hadn't had like a proper, do you know, like a tiering system when you have like your A trade, B trade, C trade? So I finally sorted that out, but I was wondering how many of you guys have like a complete, you know, I'll put a poll. How many people have a solid plan explaining everything? Like, when I mean everything, it's like full, like what your stop loss is, how you do your take profit, do you enter during news, all these things, who does and who doesn't. Just be interesting to see, because I don't think many people have like a full in-depth plan. And then also, like, when it comes to the tiering thing as well, how many of you guys know what your favorite setup is and what a bad setup is? Not bad, but like when it comes to confidence, like, can you identify this trade I'm super confident in, this trade I'm like not massively confident, but I'm gonna enter it anyway? And if you can identify that, then you know what your number 1 setup is, what your number 2, number 3, that type thing. It's not 100% perfect, but it's there. Depends on what solid exactly mean, but it's got a lot of details. Okay, nice. Definitely could add some stuff. There are gaps in. So, yeah. So if I went through your plan and I could ask you a question, or, you know, I mean, if you want, you guys can send me your plans. I'll go through them. And if there's any questions that you've missed out or anything you've missed, I'll let you know. And the only thing that's going to do is just help you solidify that plan even more. So you know exactly, like, you know, do I enter during high impact releases? How do I, you know, find flows? Or how do I know what direction the market is going? Or how do I know when to enter? Or, you know, all this stuff. Old plan. Okay. Is this are you going to send a new one? I copied your plan that you sent out a while ago. Okay, nice. Hello, Pack Fioris. Next week looks alright. It does. There's some decent setups. You don't got one yet. Okay. So, I think here, are you okay with me putting this on the stream, Lytix, or do you want it like staying hidden? Are you okay? Yeah, okay. Awesome. Here we go. Ooh, little animation there. Steps, mark out daily level, minimum 100 pips in and out. Is that it? Straight away, like what your plan should be. I should be able to go through this without knowing anything to do with your strategy, and I should be able to know how you trade, basically. Like every condition. Do you trade news? I don't see anything on here to do with news. Like, do you trade news or not? I know this sounds stupid and you have it in your head, but writing it down is completely different. It sort of sets it in concrete. So then when you go to your plan, I have a plan, but only me can understand. Yeah, so maybe try and go over that. Because again, you can have all these things in your head, but it's completely different having it in your head compared to writing it down. Like if you go against your plan and take a trade and you don't journal it, or you don't tell anyone, or you don't even have a plan there to start with, how do you know you're going against your plan? You'll sort of derive like a fake excuse in your head as to, oh no, it was all right, you know, there's a reason for it, you know, it wasn't too bad, it was okay. You need to be super strict on yourself, like super strict. And this is me. I'm guilty as well in the past. You just need to be fucking, like when people backtest, for example, people will backtest. They'll take 2 winning trades, record them. They'll take a losing trade, they'll record it. Take another losing trade, and they'll be like, oh shit. Like, do I record this? Oh no, I wouldn't have actually taken it. I won't record it. And then take 2 wins. Oh yeah. I'll write them down. They'll take a loss. I'll change it a little bit. Oh, I didn't take it. And you're just lying to yourself. Same with the plan. If you can be so fucking precise with your plan, you're just cutting out as much bullshit as possible. So then when you're trying to make these shitty excuses in your head, or you're going, oh, you know what, I'll enter this trade. Oh, it doesn't exactly fit the plan, but I'll enter it. You're just cutting out all that shit. And you know exactly, if this trade didn't work, it's because you didn't follow your plan. That's it. Like, it is so easy. Like, if your plan is so in depth, then you can't go against it. And if you do, you know exactly why the trade didn't work. Yeah, I think it's just very, very important for you guys to just go crazy with the plans, and truly understand like what type of trader you are. Because again, like the one bad thing about having a community, I was talking to someone else about this today actually. The one downside to having a community, rather than, do you know how like on Telegram people have chats where the one like main teacher or dude can talk but no one else can talk, and you just see what they're posting? The difference between that and a community, obviously community, everyone else can chat, but there is downside to a community as well, because then you'll find people sort of deviate from the plan. They'll go, fuck, oh yeah, I'm just going to enter that trade, fuck it. They start copying each other. They just, you know, one person takes a risky trade and the other one goes, oh, you know what, fuck it, I'm just going to put 0.5% risk on this and go for it. And they just all start copying each other and they make zero progress. Which is why, like, I've been trying to push you guys, especially guys who trade like the MCR strategy and the strategy we created. I've been pushing you guys to sort of explore your own confidences and your own ways of trading it. Like Tux has started his own way of trading it. He's quite aggressive. I know JJ trades flows a lot. He likes like the lower time frame levels, and that is exactly what you guys need to do. Find like what your A tier trade is and run with it. Just go. Because my A tier trade is not the same as your A tier trade. And you guys might like 4-hour trades, or you guys might like trend lines or ATR or alignment more. You guys might only take trades when there's you know, DXY alignment or something. And that is exactly what you need to do. Timing, there you go. Timing Tux. Bang on. So yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. But anyway, just a little rant about you guys, and you need to crack down on the plans and fully understand what type of trader you are and how you trade. Otherwise, you're just not going to make progress at all. And I know it's difficult being in a community where you're constantly comparing yourself to other people. You've just seen this person get a payout, and then you're on Instagram, and this guy's just passed his funded in a day. This guy's just got a 30K payout. It's hard. It's super, super difficult to just stick to your own lane and, you know, just be confident in your own trading. It's very, very difficult. Don't get me wrong. Like, when I see someone pass their funded account in a day and they get a 10K payout, damn, I wish I could be doing that too. But, you know, they probably do the exact same thing. They're making 10K and they go on their Twitter and see someone pass a funded account and go and get a 30K payout. And they're like, oh, wish I could do that. Like, everyone has these feelings. Like, everyone's the exact same. No one is different in this game. Everyone has the exact same emotions. And no matter what, everyone always compares themselves. So you just need to crack down, focus on your trading and focus on your own path. Otherwise, it's just gonna be, you're just gonna be up, down, stuck in the mud, up, down, up, down, up, down, bouncing off of people, up, down. So yeah, anyway, back to it. Yeah, pound Aussie, not really see much apart from these 4-hour levels. Sorry for the rant. Is your main account on IC markets? Yeah, it is. Yeah. GJ, literally seen nothing but the break retest. 4-hour time frame, we do have levels, but this consolidation is absolutely disgusting. I'm not really looking for anything. It is we've seen a nice little sending wedge triangle thing here, so break and retest of that level could actually be really nice. The 192-ish level, that could be really clean. That just makes sense as a trade, to be honest. So if we see a nice little break to potentially that break retest. So if we did see a break, it moved up to this break retest, then we saw a push down, that'd be perfect with a 23 fib. Plus you have the 200 EMA, which is even better. So that could be nice. But yeah, not really looking at JPY pairs massively, to be honest. Euro Swiss, we've got the 50 fib, which 200 pips, it's not too bad. You got a psych, quite far above actually. You're gonna start looking at JPY pairs again. I think most of them are just boring at the minute. Yeah, obviously, you know, a year ago they used to be pretty nice, but they're just consolidating way too much at the minute. So, and I don't know what the BOJ are doing at the minute. They're just, I don't know. They sort of stopped. They had their crisis moment a few weeks ago, but it was like bloody 4 interventions, and then they stopped, and then it went super strong in JPY, and then it went weak again. But yeah, I think they're chilling. I don't know. It's not even worth it, to be honest. Wait until there's like one really nice setup, get in, out, done, boom, gone. I think that's the plan. But yeah, I might keep an eye on that break retest. That could be nice. Euro Swiss, that's all I have. 50 fib. You got this level down here. I wouldn't really go for the candle close because it's absolutely massive. So I'd just be looking at that wick, which is all-time lows. Is it? Yeah, it is all-time lows. So we'll most likely, hopefully, see a bit of resistance there. As the previous one did it? Yeah, it did a bit of drawdown, but it did. Man out for sells. Euro USD. That break retest ended up tapping. Oh, we missed. Oh yeah. That's the one we were looking at. So this was another trade I was looking at. Yep, I remember. So this was the 38 fib break retest on Euro USD. If you go to the 4-hour, as you can see, we had a miss. It missed by 8 pips and did 33, ended up doing 40. And then obviously came back down to entry. 61. The 61 fib on EU. I'm guessing we're looking at the big fib. No? This fib? The 61, I really don't know which 61 you're looking at. Unless you're going like some massive fib. Nope, don't know. Oh, that one up here. The cells. Let me see. No. Yeah, sure, if you want to trade your historic levels, but I'm okay. Yeah, I see it. It could work. I mean, you've got that as well, so that could be an independent level if you want to go 4-hour. But I know you like your little historics, so Yeah, that is a 4-hour level though. That is 100 pips. So oh, I've already got marked out. So I'll take it as a 4-hour level. You take it as your historic stuff, and we'll see who hits take profit. Deal? Boom, deal. Okay. I mean, it doesn't really line up with my 61 though. That one does. That one doesn't. We'll see. Euro CAD. What do we have here? We have break retest, which doesn't really line up currently. That break retest is okay. I do like that. That could be nice. This one is currently at level. We'll see if it holds or not. Hopefully it doesn't. So we actually do see a nice lineup with a fib there. 50 retest. Right. Are you drawing that? No? 50 retest. Tux. Are you seeing straight here? This, oh, wait, you on about like, no, you'll be on about a buy. No, you're not. You're on about a sell. What? Did I not? Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah. Okay, I see it, I see it, I see it, I see it. I mean, I much prefer that one. I think, to be fair, no, you know what, actually, if this holds, then obviously don't go for that one, if this provides something. But if this does see a pretty clean break, then that obviously has the added confluence of, you know, break a previous level. So, you all laughed at me. Yeah, no, you know what, that's fair. If we do see a clean break of this level, then yeah, sure. But now, yeah, no, we'll see. But yeah, okay, you know what? Completely fair. I'm sorry for laughing at you, Tux. That's actually okay. Dependent on what happens. Euro Aussie dollar. Now, I was getting a bit dramatic with this one. Don't laugh at me. Look at that trend line. Tux, is this valid? Tux, you like your trend lines. This big trend line lines up perfectly with his break retest. And we currently have ATR. And that's it. Valid. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Ooh, what about if like you duplicated it and it lined up perfectly with something else? Oh! Ooh! Are you seeing that? Tip of the wick. I mean, it's not like bang on, but bink. Okay, yeah, let's ignore that bit. Okay. I'm cooking. Yeah, okay, so pound, euro, Aussie dollar buys. We'll see. Euro NZD. Nope. Euro JPY. Yeah, we've got this level here. Are you saying EA sells? Well, the break retest. I mean, yeah, I'll class it as a 4-hour. I don't know, the daily looks a bit off. 4-hour break retest, 61. Oh god, what fib are you drawing here? You're drawing that small fib, aren't you? This one? Nope. You're drawing the next one. That's got the 50. Oh, that's such a tiny fib. Yeah, I see it. Okay. You know what? Tux, you can have your own channel. Yeah, I see it. That one, okay. Yeah, I see. Psych level. Okay. I'm sorry. Wait, which? Oh yeah, okay, that makes sense. Fair enough. I'll let you off. Let me ping out a little alert. There we go. Ping, done. Euro NZD, nope. Euro JPY do have a level with no fib, unless you want to be weird and draw a strange fib. This thing moves fast. That could be a juicy runner. It's going to take the 0.5. What the break read? Oh. Wait. Oh, that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, it depends on the break of this level. If this is highly respected, or respected and it consolidates and then pushes into it, yeah, no. But if you just see a break this level, yeah, sure. Because obviously you have this EMA potentially aligning with this. You have this EMA currently aligning with that. You also have the psych level at this level. So this zone here is actually pretty juicy. And potentially, don't know, we might see something align. But again, these bad boys require big juicy stop losses. Most likely 50-50, something like that. Yeah. Euro GBP, nothing. Oh, let me mark out EJ for sells because it does look nice. Aussie Swiss. This was a 4-hour setup. I know it's, yeah, I don't know. Classing it as 4-hour because we were seeing a nice move in. 61 fib, ATR, psych level. Was having a pretty strong move in. And then it decided to just fart and go back to the other side. So, don't know. I'm going to keep it there. But it's most likely a no. Aussie card 4-hour break retest. No chance. It's been consolidating right above the level. Missing by like 9-10 pips multiple times. So, yeah. Buys from the wick. This one down here. Psych level. EMA. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. Wide-ish though, and 22 pips. Not, I mean, it's not horrific. Double fib. Oh god, here we go. When I hate, as soon as you say double fib or triple fib or anything, I know like gotta prepare for some glorious fib. That one, I'm guessing. That big one here. Or was he drawing this one? Or was he drawing? Let's zoom out a little bit. Here you go, Tux. Is this more your style, isn't it? Yeah, fair enough. Okay, double fib. Yep, fair. I like that. So we got buys on Aussie dollar card. That sells on Aussie Swiss. Yep. Aussie US dollar, big level, ATR, sort of missed. This level provided. Oh, this was a trade I was in. I was in this on a little forward testing. But I decided to hold it through some USD news like a silly boy. And yeah, I ended up hitting stop loss. I'm pretty sure just tapped stop loss and then worked. But yeah, is what it is. It's stuck at that level for a week. Aussie dollar, US dollar stuck at the level for a week. Why? Why? 23 buys. I'm guessing that is that level there. 60 bloody pips. Yeah, come on, Tuck. That's got to be a quick trade. If you are looking for that, it's got the psych. Fib. That is going to have to be a quick in and out, like 20 pips type thing. Potential head and shoulders. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. Yeah. Little. Yeah. Boom. There's a little shoulders and neckline retest and all that stuff. Okay, yeah, I see it. That'll have to be a quick trade. But yeah, I see the vision. Aussie ends a D. Nope, that was tapped beautifully. Nope. Nope. Don't see anything. Those break retests. Yeah, no, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. You do have the look. No, it's not going to tap this week. Oh, I almost got rid of that. AJ buys, he's saying. Let's have a look. Nothing on the daily. 4-hour. Oh my god, that is vile. 23 fib. I'm guessing it's that level there, but I'm not a fan, unfortunately. Oh, that. No thanks. I'm alright. Fat intra-wick. I mean, yeah, but the levels around it are disgusting. No chance. You've got this here, that. I think we'll just see a reaction off that one or you'll miss anyway. But yeah, I mean, sure, if it breaks that, go for it. But I'm not a fan personally. You won't catch me taking that. I think I'll stick with my, what was it, EJ? Was it EJ trade? It's sell, never mind. And GJ, potential buyers, break retest. Yeah, no, not a fan of AJ. AJ could have alignment with GJ though. If we do see a break of this, that could be nice with a 23 fib potential. So yeah, maybe we'll see. NZD Swiss, I see absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Got this up here. Technically, it's that. Yeah, no, not interested in that. NZD USD. Again, not interested in anything here. Nope. Break retest. Are we looking at that? Are you talking about this? Talking about that? Not a fan. If you're talking about this, fan. 1st of August. Go long. What's that? 1st of August. I think the 1st of August was a month ago, Assy. I think we're too late for that one. First, there you go. You got it right in the end. I was gonna say we're a bit ahead of that one. No, I don't like that. I like that one though. I like the 50. I'm not too keen on that one. I don't know, but yeah, I see it again. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Q4 isn't starting. Q4 is next month, is it, Assy? Q3 finishes in September. Q is every 3 months. So Q4 is October, November, December. Q3 is July, August, September. Yeah. Yeah, no, we got a month until we're 75% done. That's a bit too quick for me. That is gone very, very, very fast. Oof. This year has been a very interesting year. Very interesting year for me. But, oh yeah, I don't want to reveal anything cool, but I mean, Tux, you know. Waveform, I think you know. Lytix, I think you know. It starts tomorrow. So, yeah, starts tomorrow. So, I'm visiting a certain place. And I think it will be spilled tomorrow. I think I'll post an announcement tomorrow. I think. But yeah, anyway, people will probably see it on my Instagram anyway, so I don't know if I'll post it tomorrow actually, but yeah, I'm gonna get back into content as of tomorrow as well. Because I have not been posting content in like, what, 2 months now? Which is why the Discord has sort of been like a little bit slow up and down. Before that, it was still booming, even though my trading was going the opposite way. So yeah, that has been the main cause of things slowing a little bit. So as soon as I start posting again, we should be banging like decent amounts, hopefully. My knowledge has gotten a lot better. I haven't posted anything in a year. My knowledge has gotten better, but my trading has gotten worse. Yeah, actually, like my last year was like insane for me, like crazy good. Finished like 40+% for the year. Went on crazy win streaks, really high win rate, and then this year went tits up. I'm only like just recovering. The 1 mil funded is in stage 2. It's currently 1% up. Yeah, that thing has been in stage 2 for a while, like quite a while. But trading is about to improve massively because I've been a solo wolf this entire time, but I might be having a little bit of a boost from. Well, I'll be getting a bit of a boost. Yeah, I like that waveform a lot. I really like that. I'll go over gold in a bit, don't worry. But yeah, let's just say I'm going to be getting a boost. Leon, what do you think is the best approach to build up a live account? Put some money in now and just use it as a little forward test Lytix. Or just start, you know, whack 100 in, just risk like 2% per trade and crack on. And then when you get paid out from your prop firms, always put 50% back into a live account. Always. That's what I did. So when I was getting payouts and I was getting paid out good, I put 50% back into my live accounts, and the other half I would put into investments and more funded accounts. Yeah, back in the olden days when they all got big payouts. Yeah. NU, yeah, beautiful buys. Yeah, I remember watching you on my Few page some time ago. Yeah, God. It's coming back. It's coming back. I was grinding on Instagram, and Instagram went so well. I got to like 10k, 11k really fast. No, 10k really fast on Instagram. I was buzzing, but then I don't know. I didn't burn out, but I think because obviously trading slowed down and I wasn't doing as well, the motivation for the TikTok and the content and all that stuff was like burning me. Like, it's so hard to sort of. Obviously, I've gone from making a lot of money from trading and doing really well, big win streaks, everything going well, to then like first 3-4 months of this year, terrible. No payouts from trading going terrible. And obviously that alone is a reality hit, crazy. And then on top of that, trying to stay consistent with content, posting about trading and motivation and all this stuff. When behind the scenes, I mean, it's not behind the scenes because I was posting about it. When, you know, I'm doing terrible, it was difficult. So I sort of like got a little bit burnt out, and it felt a bit weird posting about like, here's what you need to be doing with your trading when my trading, wasn't going well itself. So yeah, it was tough. Now, last time YouTube. Oh yeah, I know. I was meant to be posting a video every week. But yeah, that's when trading was going amazing. Like that, I said that in December, January, and that's when things were still going amazing. January was really good. It's just February. I think February, March, April was then it like, yeah, hit a bit of a wall. Camera off. Oh God, 1 second. Great. Anyway, give it 2 seconds and I'll return it on. I don't know why it does this. I think I need to buy a new battery. I remember the good old days. Yeah. NFB pending holds. Yeah, that was dangerous. That was silly. I don't know. It depends. Based on like my new learnings over the next potential foreseeable future, that may potentially change. I don't know. I'll see. I don't actually know what's going to be going on, but you guys will get an update tomorrow. Well, I don't know. This week, I don't know. I still don't know if I'm allowed to say things yet, but yeah. Right, camera turn on. Are you gonna work for me? Wait, there we go. USD Swiss, we're almost there. We'll get to gold. USD Swiss, that 4-hour break retest. Whew, 125 pips. Okay, we had a little double retest. That's extra confidence right there. Boom. 4-hour break retest. Love it. NJ buys, you missed. I'm not even looking at that. No chance. I'm okay. Nope. I refuse to look at it, Tux. That is vile. Okay, I'll look at yours. I'm not looking at mine. I mean, I see that. NJ. Yeah, I see that wick. Nah, I'm not. Feast your eyes. Yeah, no. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'll skip that. You can go for it. If it works, you can pay me part of the profits. Yeah. USD Swift. Thwith. Beautiful. Beautiful USD Thwith. 50 fib sells looking beauty. Get rid of that alert. Don't need that. Come on, man. USD CAD. Big break and retest. Daily break retest. Does this line up with a fib? Is it going to be a sexy trade? Nope. We're going to have to go pretty damn low for that to line up. So no fib. Maybe ATR, DXY alignment. Oh, USD CAD is a scary one to trade this week. That's probably the worst pair to trade. We got a lot of USD and CAD news. So you pretty much can't hold this any day. Because no matter what, we have USD and CAD news every day. I think. Don't know. Still waiting for my UG buys. Oh, this wick here has just been waiting for you. This entire time it's just been sat there waiting for Tux. Oh. It's not been waiting for Leon though, because I don't give a shit about that bad boy. I'm waiting for that one. That is the setup I'm waiting for. That one right there. That has beautiful alignment with NJ. NJ? No. AJ. No. EJ. Yes. EJ. EJ and UJ. Okay. We'll ping out alerts there. Whack that on. Whack that out of cells. Oh, and maybe USD Swiss. I don't know. CAD Swiss. I don't know. CAD Swiss is... I don't know. If that's a nice 4-hour level. Yeah, it does look like an okay 4-hour level. Nothing really there. Let's check for a fib. We have most likely that fib. Yeah, nothing really there. I mean, if ATR lines up, something like that, it could be okay. And I'll set an alert, but that's more like strong move in ATR type thing. And maybe alignment with like USD CAD buys. Yeah. Okay. So that is about it. Swiss JPY, no. Yeah, so let's go with some stuff. So DXY, we're almost there. DXY got some levels, daily level. I'm more gonna mark out that, to be honest. And then we have this secondary level down here, daily level, break retest level. That is more, yeah, it's a bit of a weird one, isn't it? Daily break retest, daily break retest. Nope. That's the 4-hour, the daily level, sorry. And that's about it. If we go down to the 4-hour, not really interested in them. Oh, that's bond, sorry. DXY, we have break and retest. That's gone, that's held, that was nice. Level. You've got that, and more class that as like a, I'm gonna put it as a 4-hour level. Okay, yeah, that's nice. Yes, 500, nothing really. We're just gonna see if that holds. And I've not really been looking at these. US data I look at, but UK 100 and J225 I don't really look at the minute. Let's look at commodities. I'm pretty sure Wayfan posted a beautiful setup. So why I see some levels. I see some levels. Let's have a look. Okay, so we got 4-hour level. We got a secondary 4-hour level down here. Let's look at them on a daily. Okay, fair. Let's whack a fib on. This fib is going to be a bit awkward. Yeah. Lines up with both. Perfect. You also have the psych level. 2475. This one you don't really have much. You have the 50, but it's above. This one, perfect. I really like that setup. I'll probably, I don't know, entries will be a bit weird, but I'll mark that out. That is a beautiful trade. So yeah, nice buyers in gold. Could that align with silver buys? You got this daily break retest. That's about it. Maybe. Don't know. We'll see. That's like one strong day away. This is pretty much tomorrow if it wants to be. US oil has a decent level as well. Yeah, so gold I think is the main attraction there. Where's the 28 level? Silver does have the psych level, 28 psych level with the 61 fib. I'll keep an eye on that as well. I might do a little forward test trade on that. But yeah, I've run out of. Okay. I'll just keep an eye on that. But yeah, that's nice. That is about it. I think we are done. Smashed it. Smashed it out. That was a pretty fast, efficient stream. No stupid problems or... Yeah. No rambles. Actually, there was a bit of a ramble, wasn't there? Yeah. Okay. Perfect. I think that was alright. Got some decent setups for next week. Does anyone have any questions or any... Oh, cameras just turned off. Perfect timing, actually. Anyone have any questions or anything? Or what about USD JPY? Yeah, sure. UJ, all I have is a 38 fib cells. That's it, really. This maybe, but I think that 38 cell is the main attraction. Yeah. Anything else, or is everyone good? Entirely up to you guys. Oh, my camera has actually turned off. Oh, wow. I think next week will be slow. I don't know. We got a lot of news. Come on, camera. I think it says 100% charge, but it never actually. Holding EJ for a 1 to 5. That could be big. Yeah, bank holiday as well, so it's gonna be a slow tomorrow. Yeah. Right. Beautiful. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow.
Did you say please?
Yeah. Is there anything you guys want from me and like the Discord and stuff? I've not been posting like the daily video breakdowns. Do you want me to start posting them again? Do you want me to start posting like trade breakdowns? TPs, yeah, that would help. That would be the main part of it. But apart from that, like the mentorship side of it, is there anything you guys want me to post or whatever? Or like more polls, quizzes, going over like educational stuff, like going over like trading plans and stuff, or anything. Homework for the weekends. Giveaways. Homework is in like find some analysis on a certain pair, like USD Mexico, and find a setup. What is everyone looking at? That type thing. Okay, or research, like go in depth on ATR. What you want me to, or you want me to get you guys to go in depth on it? You guys, okay. For me, the new economics channel is really nice. Yeah, it's very, very good. Make sure that you have the Forex analysis section, Gimo, and select Raheem's role as well, because he posts quite a lot of economic stuff in his own channel as well, rather than just the economics channel. So make sure you do that, because yeah, it'll be very helpful. And yeah, if you have any questions, like whack them in. Like he wants people to ask him questions. So how can you take a screenshot of what Vargo does, Tux? Like what exactly does he want you guys to do? Is he saying like research ATR and tell me what you find, or like is it a bit more in depth? How did you come up with the ATR? I learned it from a guy called Rich, Pauper Trader, who used to trade with FX Cartel, and then he sort of hopped out and did his own thing, and he found ATR. Well, he didn't find it, obviously. He learned it from someone else. And it worked really nicely with levels. I like to read his things to learn. Yeah, I have a little page on my Notion for economics, and whenever Raheem posts, I read through the things and go on ChatGPT and help with different stuff. If like there's anything I don't understand with like his economics posts, I'll just whack it in there, like what is manufacturing PMI? And what's the difference between this PMI and this PMI type thing? Okay, let me have a look. Okay. Yeah, I'll have a look. I'll have a look, Tux, and I'll see what I can do. Yeah, beautiful. I like that. I'll come up with some ideas. I've also started like tagging everyone a little bit more for engagement. So like on the Friday, I do the Fess Up Friday thing. Throughout the week, I'll ask like what people are looking at, and I'll start asking like different questions. I won't tag everyone like I'll tag you guys every week at least once. This is like the entire server, and I'll start asking questions about like, you know, people's thoughts and opinions on things. Push a bit of chat. Maybe push people to do daily/weekly reviews, maybe a channel to post in or something. Yeah, I think so. Oh, my camera's turned off. However, a channel to do the daily and weekly reviews, I don't want people to like use that channel as an excuse not to do their own and just look in there, go, okay, copy off him and do their own thing. Oh no, I think it's a bit of a tough one. No, actually, no, it could be good for like just self-improvement type stuff. If someone posts and then someone can challenge you on like, why do you think this, or why are you looking at this, or why are you doing that? And it does hold people accountable, actually. You know what? Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah, they've been very, yeah, that's good. That's good, Trap. Yeah, they have been for me as well. I've gotten into a really good routine of doing them. I was so back and forth with them, but I'm in a really, really good routine now. I think it's because I've organized like everything on my PC, so everything is really, really easy. It's not like a pain in the ass to get all the documents up and sort them all out. I've got it already done, so it is a lot easier now. Yeah, I did finish my trading plan. 5 ticks. Yeah, but I mean, I didn't do. I'll go off the YouTube because I don't want to like post it all over there as well. So YouTube, if you want to join this little bit, it's exclusive in a Discord. Yeah, right.